You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word in French, and we'll be looking at how to say more French words too. So stay tuned to the channel if you want to learn more French. You found the right place. Ensuite. Ensuite, meaning then. You have an event, and then, or ensuite, another event is what it means. Ensuite is how you say it. It's easy, and now you know. More videos here to learn more French. Thanks for watching. Merci. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.